In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grid View in Smartsheet. Grid View is the classic spreadsheet-style layout in Smartsheet, and it's where your information is laid out in rows and columns so you can see the full detail of your data at a glance. It's ideal for reviewing entries, checking values, and understanding how everything fits together in a familiar table format. If you've ever worked in a traditional spreadsheet, this will feel right at home. To switch to Grid View from wherever you are, start in your sheet and look along the top of the page. You'll notice a small drop-down menu that displays the name of your current view. It might say something like Gantt, Card, or Calendar, depending on what you last used. That label is the view selector. Click it once, and from the list that appears, choose Grid. As soon as you select Grid, your sheet switches instantly to the grid layout. That's all you need to do. Once you're in Grid View, you'll see your data organized into columns across the top and rows down the side. The leftmost column is the primary column, which typically holds the main descriptor for each row, like a task name or item title. Any row hierarchies you've set up are preserved here, so parent items and their related child rows remain clearly structured. You'll also see specialized column types displayed in context, like checkboxes, drop-downs, dates, symbols, and contact lists, all designed to make your data easy to read and understand. Attachments and comments are indicated with small icons so you can quickly tell where supporting files or conversations live without opening separate views. If your sheet includes formulas, conditional formatting, or highlights, those elements carry over into Grid View too, helping you validate calculations and spot trends or exceptions right away. Sorting and filtering that were already applied stay consistent, so your view remains focused while still showing complete details. Think of Grid View as your central workspace for auditing and verifying. It's where you can scan long lists, compare values across columns, and confirm that the information you're tracking is complete and accurate. Choosing Grid doesn't change your data. It simply changes how the information is displayed, giving you a comprehensive, line-by-line perspective. So remember, from the top of your sheet, click the view name, select Grid, and you're set. With that one switch, you'll have the full picture of your sheet's details, neatly organized and easy to navigate.